Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of all devices on Instagram without having to change your password. So if you want to log your Instagram account out of all the devices that you're currently signed in on without having to change your password, you'll be able to do that at the end of this tutorial. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is simply open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then go to our profile by selecting the profile icon in the bottom right. From here, we just need to open up the Instagram menu, and we do that by selecting the three horizontal lines. Once the menu opens, simply select Settings, and then in the Settings, we're going to go to the Security option right here. Once in Security, under Login Security, you'll see Login Activity. Go ahead and select that. And then in here, we can see all the different times that your account was logged into Instagram. So if you scroll down from here, you can see all the different devices that you're currently logged in on and what type of device and the location. To start logging out of these devices, all we need to do is select the three horizontal dots next to the device. And then in here, just select Log Out. It's going to ask you if you want to change your password, but if you don't want to do that, all you need to do is select OK. And then as you can see, that device has now been logged out. So you just have to do this with all of the devices that are in the list, and then you will have logged out of all the devices that are currently logged into your Instagram account. All right, so that's how you log out of all devices on Instagram without having to change your password. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.